Welcome. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a cluttered Gmail inbox or struggled to find those important emails you haven't read yet, you're not alone. Today, I'll walk you through a super easy way to filter and see only your unread emails in the Gmail app, so you can stay on top of what matters most. Let's get started. First things first, grab your Android or iPhone and open the Gmail app. Once you're in, look towards the top of your screen, and you'll see the search bar. Tap it to bring up a brand new set of helpful options. Did you know that Gmail now makes it easier than ever to sort through your inbox? After tapping the search bar, you'll notice several filter options just beneath it. Those handy filters weren't always there, but now they help you take control of your inbox in just a tap. Swipe through the filter options if you need to, and find the one labeled Is Unread. Go ahead and tap Is Unread. Instantly, your inbox will transform, showing only the emails you haven't read yet. It's that simple. No complicated steps, no typing advanced commands, just a couple of taps, and you're looking at only your unread messages. This trick is perfect if you've been missing important updates or if you like keeping things organized and tidy, even when you're on the go. You can make a habit of checking your unread emails first thing in the morning or before you wrap up your day. That way, you never miss anything that needs your attention. To recap, just open your Gmail app, tap the search bar at the top, choose Is Unread from the options, and you're set. Watching your inbox clear up as you go through those unread messages feels incredibly satisfying. Try it out today and see how much more manageable your Gmail inbox can be. Thanks for tuning in.